Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rocket League on a steering wheel. First, connect your steering wheel and pedals to your gaming system. Make sure all the required drivers are properly installed for your specific wheel model. Once connected, launch Rocket League and head into the control settings. You'll want to confirm that your steering wheel is recognized as an input device within the game's options. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth experience, so take your time to get it right. Now, let's dive into customizing your in-game controls. You'll want to map your steering to the wheel's rotation for the most natural feel. Assign acceleration and braking to your pedals, just like in a real car. For actions like boost, jump, and air roll, find comfortable buttons on your wheel or shifter. Don't forget to experiment with dead zone and sensitivity settings. A small adjustment can make a big difference in your control and overall enjoyment. Mastering Rocket League with a steering wheel requires some adjustments to your driving mechanics. Focus on making gentle steering inputs for subtle movements, especially when dribbling or positioning. Power slides become incredibly useful for sharp turns and maintaining ball control. Practice feathering the throttle and brake to achieve precise speed management. Also, consider adjusting your camera settings. A slightly different perspective might enhance your awareness and make the experience more intuitive. For advanced play, start incorporating air rolls and aerials using the buttons you've assigned. Practicing wall play and quick recoveries will also be essential with your new setup. Dedicate plenty of time in free play to build muscle memory and get a feel for the unique control. If your wheel supports it, consider adjusting force feedback settings. A strong, responsive feel can significantly enhance immersion and provide valuable tactile cues during intense matches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.